Yesterday we have seen some of the basic functions. Today also we will see some of the basic functions and two, three real-time scenarios. Let's see now date functions. So let me open Power BI first. Let me connect my others table. I'm directly loading. Let it load. All right. Now see here, yesterday we have discussed some of the functions. In the same manner, we are going to discuss some of the functions which are related to real-time scenarios. Let's see, I wanted to know about the date function, time function. At the same time, so date value function and time value function. So let me make you observe here. So how to write this one? Only date you can give. So that function is giving you year, month, date. That is you can give. And the time also the same manner. You can give time, minutes and seconds, hours. So date value you can give in the string format. So date will give you number format, but date value you have to give in the string format. Simple. The time value also same thing. So value means string. Let me make. So yesterday what I did, I usually go here, click on here. So let me click on here, new column. Some date function. Let me give date of. I'm giving today date only. So month 08 and the date is 06. The moment you give the date function, did you observe time also coming along with that? So what you did, select your column, then go to here, change the data type into only date, then it will give you only date like this format. Perfect. The same thing. I want to create that time as well. So instead of going here, going to select here, I want to select here. Just to select on your column table name. Give right click. Sorry. Give right click. Go here. New column. Here also you can click. It will open your DAX formula here. Simple. So time function. Same time function also you have to give input as a number. So time is 7. So total 7 plus 12. Total 19. So 24 hours it will take. So that's why the minutes 08 minutes and seconds something like this. Let me give here, it will give you time. Did you observe whenever you give time also it will give you along with the date some random date. I don't want all this, only time I want. So simply go here, change the data type into time. Simple. Time 24 hours it is going to consider, you have to provide in the 24 hours time management. So let's see my next one. So date value, time value, the same thing. Go to the add new column. So date value is string. So because wherever the value is there, that is called string. So you must provide in the within the double quote. So I'm giving the same 2025, and I want to give August, and I want to give 06. It is not throwing error. Why? Because I'm not closing with the double quote. Simple. So this is also giving you same date and time. So again do the same thing. Go and change your data type. Simple. Only time I have given, not time. I want date only. So this is how same thing, only function. You can use string format. Nothing bigger. So time value, the same thing. You can give in the text format. Time you have to give total 19 hours. Just give like this. And what is the second? Minutes 09 and second something like this. What happened? String I didn't close. You will get time exactly like this and change your data type. Nothing bigger here. The whenever you want to use time, while writing the very bigger queries, so you have to just remember these small queries. So next one, from here focus more on it.
సార్ మనం టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే టేబుల్ టూల్స్లోకి వెళ్ళి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందే సార్.
ఒక టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది కదా,
యాడ్ కాలంలో మెజర్ వాల్యూస్ అయితే జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం, కానీ టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే
క్రియేట్ టేబుల్ ఉందా ఎక్కడన్నా ఆప్షన్?
అదే సార్, లేదు సార్.
So you are already working on top of the already existing table, so that is why you can't able to create it. So table is like new table you are going to create, so that's why you can't able to experience your table. So that is only the difference, nothing bigger. Just from now you just focus more. So till now it is very small ones, from here after you are getting the real time ones. So observe here. So I wanted to extract only the day. In your Power Query editor how to extract the day. So by using that add column main menu, so you are going to extract that day. The same manner, if you want to write the DAX formula, how to write it? Day is the function is there. You just provide that your column name. This is column name. This is address of your table. So it's just like we are living in India, but we are living in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana like this. A simple manner. Address of the table is most important and your column name. So then on top of that, you are going to use that function. Simple. The same number, week number also I will write it as one time. So week number. So let me check the week number also, same thing. Your table name and your address of the column. Simple. So let me write here. Go to the new column. Day I want to take. Simple day you can give. And what I want to give here, the directly I am giving the order date. Simple. So now observe here, I am going to extract only the day. So observe here, once you go to the orders table, from here we are going to extract only the day 17, 21, 21, 19 like this. So you go check here, cross check, you will get the same. So that is how simple. The same manner I want to go here, the extract the number of the weeks. So week number, that is function is there, the same week number. So I'm giving here same order date. So I'm closing it. Just observe here, you will get how many weeks are there for total 1 year, 30 54 weeks somewhere, and how many days are there for each month, so 31 days. So like this you can extract. So now my next question is, just observe here, I want to get that weekday. Weekday means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like this. I want to extract that one. So I can get the month, day. So whatever the day that is there, 31 days, I can extract it. So but this is the week number, I can extract it. These are all the numbers only, this is fine. But I want to extract only the day. So weekday means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like this. So how to extract it? Let me check it. So weekday function, same thing, you can give order state. Simple, go extract here. Just to click on somewhere. So observe here weekday. So your weekday function which we have created just now. So this is the function we have used. And how many days are there for the week? 7 days only. So this is fine, but I want the week name. So I don't know what is the 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So I want Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like this. I want to find out. So what should I do on this? I'm going to write the one more DAX formula. From here, focus more on it. Real-time scenarios. So week name you want to extract. So what you do? So weekday of your function, column name, orders date. Simple. You select it. What it is going to give you? Numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this till the 7. So weekdays. I want to see the Sunday, Monday like this. What you do here? The on top of this, you have to use the one more function, that is format. And at the end you just give comma, double quote, just give small d 3 times. Simple. Go and execute it. I will get Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But you are not getting the full. So what you do? The next step, you just add the one more d here. So 4 d's. Then go and execute it. You will get the full name of the day. Simple. The same function I wanted to use, whether that scenario is there or not. Month. Let me check the month. So that scenario is not there. I want to extract the month. So the month of same order date. Same thing. Go and execute it. Perfect. How many months we have for year? 12 months. So I don't want like this. I want the month name, January, February, like that. The same thing that you need to do. So go to the new column. So now I want month name. So what I'm doing, month function of order date. So perfect. Close it. Go and execute it. You get same number. I want to convert them into name. So how to convert them into name? Format. Simple. Go at the end. Just give comma. Just give small m 3 times. So month is small m. So you will get January, February like this. Just observe here. Are you getting all the 12 months? No. Only January, December only you got. So I'm not getting all the 12 months. So here we do have the all 12 months. Observe here. When you go to the data also, you will get the all the months here. So December is there, April is there, October is there, April is there, July is there. All the months we have, but we are not getting all the months. So what we should do? Click on it. It is editable. Just to remove this month here. Simple. Go and commit it. Now you get all the months. Observe here. Total 12 months coming up. So now I want full name. Simple thing. As we did, just add one more M here. Simple. You get all the 12 months like this. So that is how you simply do. Now I want you to understand one thing. So wherever it is there 1, that is January. Wherever it is there 2, that is February. Wherever it is there 12, that is December. The same manner, the weekdays. So once you go here, 1 means Sunday. And where is the Monday here? So let me filter it out. I'm filtering out one by one. So I want to know what is the Sunday number. Click on it. Only Sunday number. One only Sunday number. I want to check the Monday number. So Monday number is 2, which means that your Sunday is starting from 1. So I'm directly going to check that Saturday. What is the Saturday number? This is 7, which means that your Sunday is equal to 1, your Monday is equal to 2, your Tuesday is equal to 3. Like this, you are going to get the result. Now, I want to take up the one scenario which is there, real time scenario. Just observe here the, so we will do this one later. Just observe this one. I want to know about that Saturday, Sunday. So just observe here the wherever you go in the outside. So there is only two competition: weekday sales and weekend sales in your real time. So weekday sales means weekday is starting from Monday to Friday. This is weekday, and weekend sales is Saturday and Sunday only. So just observe here, as we know in our Power BI, whatever our Power BI is giving, our Sunday is 1, our Monday is 2, our Tuesday is 3, our Wednesday is 4, and our Thursday is 5, our Friday is 6, and our Saturday is 7. This is usually by default, Power BI giving you. So day. So we can't every time convert like this. So that's why we consider focus on these numbers to get the result output. So my scenario is I wanted to know about that only weekend sales. So otherwise you can call it as a weekday and weekend. So weekday and weekend I want to find out. How to find out the weekday and weekend? So just observe my scenario. So I'm just going to decode it. So weekday of orders date, what it is going to give you? 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So we already seen here the function. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. This is the weekday. The function which we have written here, the weekday of this one. This is giving you 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So this will give you 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I start from 1 means here, if I start from Sunday, is equal to 6. I want to give, Saturday. So which means that it is not giving you right way. But just observe here. Let me make you observe here. Don't confuse it. So I usually Power BI giving you starting from 1. So 1 means Sunday. So what I am going to write the logic here. I want to start Monday as 1, and I want to write the logic Tuesday as 2. So otherwise you just let it be. So I want to start from the 2. So 2 means Monday. So I want to start from the 2 here. If my start from that 2, so what is my Saturday will become? Just observe here. For example, this is 1. So weekday is going to start from Monday. So this is 2, and this is become 3, and this will become 4, and this will become 5 number, and this will become 6, and your Sunday become 7. So now observe here, if my weekday is starting from Monday, so which means giving 2, so is equal to 6. 6 means Saturday, which means this entire logic is equal to Saturday. So my weekday starting from the Monday is equal to 6 means Saturday. So yesterday we have seen this pipeline. This pipeline means R operator. The same logic I'm going to write here the down. So if my this day starting from Monday is equal to 7. 7 means it is going to take that Sunday. So 6 to Saturday, 7 Sunday. That is the logic I'm writing here. So weekend, this order date is starting from the Monday is equal to 6 means Saturday. So R, this value is equal to 7, which means Sunday. So if these two conditions satisfied, that means weekend, Saturday, Sunday, weekend. Else, this comes under the weekday. So that is the logic I'm writing here. Just observe here. So you can observe here, while we writing the logic. Going here, weekend and weekdays. Observe here. So don't write calculate directly. So if I want to write, so let me write weekdays first. You can understand better. Weekday of order date. So I'm giving 2, so is equal to 6. So this means Sunday. Just let me execute it. So everything is giving you false. So observe here the giving you true. So just go check here. This is Saturday. So which means your logic is perfect. So your day is starting from 2. That means Monday. If you give equal to 6, that means it is Saturday. So I'm giving here the 7 instead of 6. Now observe here wherever the true. This is the true value. So you go check it. This is Sunday. Simple. So our logic is perfect. Now what I want to write directly, I'm going to write logic. If my this value is equal to 6, this is Saturday. Now I want to use that pipeline, which means R operator. Then hold the control enter. Next line. So now again I'm writing this one weekday of same order date. I'm going to write the order date starting from the Monday and giving equal to 7. So this is Sunday. If these two conditions satisfied, so what I want to give again alt enter. I want to, so these are all comes under the weekend, else I want to show them as a weekdays. Simple. So no confusions. Let me execute it. Now you go execute it. Weekend, so is Sunday is weekend, perfect. Thursday is weekday, it is coming weekdays. Thursday is weekday, weekday coming. Go check is Thursday, Tuesday is weekend. So Sunday again weekday, weekend. So this is how you get the result. So now I'm going to visualization. Just bring that weekend and weekdays in your visualization. So now I'm taking the representation in the form of donut chart. Just observe here I'm taking the sales only. You just observe by looking at this, you can understand. So this color is indicating weekdays and this color is indicating weekend. So 67% entire 5 days of your sales. So almost 50%, more than your sales, about 50% of your sales just by 2 days, Saturday, Sunday. That is why most of the people we are going for the Saturday, Sunday shoppings and everywhere. So working employees, everybody. So most of the times we are going for the Saturday, Sunday. So that is why weekend contribution is very high to compare with the weekdays. Entire 5 days contribution is about 50% of your sale value on the weekdays, weekends. So this is how in your real time, if they ask you to just show me my weekend compare with the weekday sales. So this is how you are going to show in your real time. Simple thing, not bigger thing. The same scenario observe here. So which we miss the top scenario. So we just directly wanted to know about that. What is the value of that weekend sales? So we are not going to find out that weekend and weekdays. I just wanted to know about that. What is the total sales of weekend? So observe here, weekday of the order date, starting from the Monday is equal to 6 means Saturday. Weekday of order date, comma to Monday, starting from the Monday is equal to 7 is Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday is coming. So I want to know about the total sales. How to write that formula? Just use calculate function. Then after that, just use the any aggregate, sum, minimum, maximum like that, and your column name, sales column. So it is coming from orders table. Simple. So let me write here. So just only weekend sales you want to find out, nothing bigger. So here we can see the sales value also, but that is directly we are calculating. That is the one of the scenario of the real time. I'm going to take the measure. So weekend sales. I'm writing here the weekend total sales. Just give equal to. I'm writing first calculate. Aggregation I'm using sum. So I'm going to count that total sales. Simple. Close the braces. Just use the R operator. Alt enter. Now I want to write weekend and weekdays. So weekday off. I want to take the order date. Simple, comma, starting from Monday is equal to 6. This is Saturday. Just give comma. Again Sunday I want. weekday of order date, comma 2, then equal to 7. So this is Sunday, then close the braces. Perfect. Then execute it. Now you go there, bring that into your value. So take the card. So this is the total sales value. Whether this value is correct or not, we already taken this one. So convert them into the different chart. So that is multi-row card. So you just observe here the weekend sales is same as we got. So 743 something. So we got the same value. So this is how you go and find out that weekend and weekday sales. So till here the calculated you just practice, and I just wanted to finish some more charts for today. So very small things. So we are going to write that very big logics from tomorrow onwards. These are the two small things which are repeatedly you are going to use in your real time. So weekend sales, week sales, if you get selected for the any manufacturer, retail, domain. Let's see now. I wanted to discuss about some of the charts which are pending. So ribbon chart, we are going to take that ribbon chart. Go here. Let me observe here the ribbon chart, what it is going to give you analysis. What ribbon chart is going to give you. So let me take some of the category. I'm taking here category. Perfect. On the y-axis, I want to take some sales or profit. You can take anything. Sales I'm taking. This is how it is giving. So bar plus area covering up. So but this is not full story of the ribbon. So ribbon means ribbon. You can understand. Just like a ribbon, it will come like this. Just observe in your school days, college days. So in your first unit test, you are the least rank. So otherwise you are going to improve. So this visualization instead of this, let me take some other visualization, make you understand. So here instead of this, let me take this one. Here let me take this one. So this is too bad analysis. Too many values is not required for this. So what is having zip mode? Let me try with zip mode. This is also not good representation. Let me take segment. I want to see the growth, so that is it. Here also. Let me change this one instead of this one. This is also not giving right. At least you can understand better. Just observe here. The ribbon chart. So we might have in a school days, first unit test, second unit test, third unit test like that. So whenever you write the first unit test, you might be the least rank. And the second time you might get the second, next stage like this. This is the second unit test. This is the third unit test like this. Just you can consider as a BTech first year, second year, third year, fourth year like that. In the first year of your exam, different subjects are the different score. So whenever you got the top score in the first year, so you might be losing your score in the second year to second place like this. Continuous analysis, how you are, the sale value is going to fall down. So you somewhat increasing for the next third year BTech. So you are getting second position same subject, and the next you are going to down to the second position still continue. Just like this, ribbon chart is giving you continuous analysis and very minor things you can go and analyze it. So this is representation in the form of ribbon, simple. And when you go for the more items, you can't able to represent ribbon chart. So it won't give you the good analysis. So for that matter, we are taking the less number of the items. So that is only the thing. Let me check the next one. So my next one is, am I audible? Waterfall chart, Wi-Fi am I? ఇంత తక్కువ వస్తుంది. Waterfall chart, let me check here. So go back. Let me take the waterfall chart. So this is the waterfall chart, which is one of the client's favorite chart. So observe here, I am taking the subcategory and I am taking the sales value. So this is how it is giving you analysis. Just observe this phone value is sale value this much. For example, this is entire our store. So entire our business. So only phones contributing this much amount, and the next chairs contributing this much amount, the storage contributing this much amount, like this. So which means that this is running total. You are counting the all the sum of the totals. So that is how you are going to use that ribbon chart, this waterfall chart. So not only for the positive, all are giving in the green color. So let me take the, so instead of this sales, I want to take the profit. So not here. Let me take the profit here. So observe here, your negative value is also there. So whenever you have the negative values, it will throw as a the red color. So it means that the your ribbon color is going to increment the the value of your. So that's why I used to call it as a running total. So this much value and adding up like this. Whenever you are going to slow down, so just observe here the value whatever you have here. So 33384, then your value might be less. So minus 3472, and this is least 17725. So that's why your analysis will go for the negative value in the red color, positive value in the green color, and this is the value which we used to call it as a running total. And one more thing, these are all seems like a flying bits, bricks. So one brick over the brick, one brick over the brick, like this flying brick, not just brick one over another, just like a stacked bar chart. So it is not like that. It is flying bricks. So for that definition, I just wanted to write here the observe here. So we can represent, so running total, running totals in the form of flying bricks. So remember this one, they will ask you the definition of the waterfall chart. So that's why I'm rewriting over it. Then positive values will be in the green color. Positive values in green brick, and negative values, brick means one each one, in red brick. So this is simply you just have to understand whenever they are going to ask you that waterfall chart. So that is very important one of the client's favorite one. So even your managers also used to use in your real time. So because of they have to understand that how much the progress every day is going up. So that is why they are using this flying bricks. So let's see the next one, funnel chart, which we are going to discuss. Funnel chart also one of the client's favorites one. So this is, you might know experience about it. Click over here. So this is the funnel chart, nothing bigger. So once you take up any subcategory, I am taking on the sales value. Just observe here the funnel chart. So this is the value it is giving you. The based on your the value, so it is giving you size of your bar. Then after that it is giving you like this. So can I call it as a stages of analysis? So each stage is giving you analysis. So that's why funnel chart is giving you the stages of analysis. And one more thing you just have to understand, based on your value. So highest value at the top, so that giving you big bar size. Bar size means length, not big this one. So length of the bar, okay, let me give length. Perfect. The lowest value, that is simple, you know about it. So we'll give you small bar length. Simple thing. So now I wanted to make you one more thing observation here. So I have taken only the few items only, it is giving you better analysis. So let me take only, instead of the subcategory, I want to take the category. So can I able to analyze? Yes. So based on the bar I can analyze. If I am a client, I can analyze. If I go for the any region, only four items which we have, yes, I can analyze. So for example, instead of all these regions and something else, I want to go for the bigger numbers. So city is having the so many. So this is how your funnel chart. Can you able to understand it? No. So which means that you can't able to understand whenever you go for the more number of items. So always suggest for the less number of items. Simple. The same thing for this, I forgot to tell you the waterfall chart. So you can't go for the more number of items. So only here also prefer the less number of items. Simple. Let me open that waterfall chart also. The moment instead of taking this one, select the chart. Instead of subcategory, let me take the states. State is having the use number, so you can't able to understand very well. So too bad analysis. So that's why better to don't go for the too many items. So you can call it as a more than 15 12 or 16 slicers, just like this 12 to 16 items you can't go. So this donut chart, pie chart also I told you the same conditions here also. Donut chart, this one I haven't discussed now. Okay, let me check. So now I want to go for this pie chart. Pie chart I want to take here, just observe. So let me take some of the same subcategory. Instead of the subcategory, let me take year. So I want to take year, and I want to take any profit value. So observe here, this is your pie chart. So perfect. Let me take the donut chart also side by side. I want to take this donut chart side by side. Donut chart also I want to take the same scenario. I want to take year and profit. So what is the difference between them? Both are all color, everything is showing the same. The percentage is also saying the same. So this is representing number format and percentage. So no chart is giving you percentage like this. So that's why percentage representation everything is fine except this donut middle of the chart. So that is only the different, and it is one of the client's favorite chart. So why we are using this donut chart? Let me make you observe. So I'm taking card here. So I want to take the profit. So this is total profit. So you can take this total profit in the middle of your value. So you can reduce the value size. So now you can reduce this size. You can break this into middle, so you can reduce way more. So just like this, you can keep it here. The same thing I want to take copy. Control C, Control V. So one more copy I have taken. So I'm putting here. So which is giving you better representation? Donut only. Donut giving you individual value for each one and total value also you can see in the middle. So that's why donut chart is one of the client's favorite charts. So this is how. Instead of the going for the this chart, we better to go for this one. I wanted to let you know the conditions to use it. So if I take here so let it be. So till now, let me write what is this one differences. So what it is going to represent? It is going to represent a proportionate analysis. So because of, so it is going in the format of the percentage proportionate analysis. So this is also donut also do the same performance and the same representation, same definition. Then when it come to here so this is, there is no donut in the middle, so we are not going to observe here. So here also you have to go for the less than 6 slicers or at max 12 slicers you can take. So what is the slicers here? Each piece is just like a slicer. So each piece here, each piece. So for example, I am taking here the so many items. So instead of here taking this year, I want to take the month. Just observe here. Is it somewhat good to understand? Not that good. So if I take the day, observe here. Can you able to understand this one? No. So this seems like a rangoli. You can't able to understand. So client can't able to understand what is this, what is the analysis that you are going to provide. Even it is giving you right accurate result, the percentage, everything it is going to give. But we can't advise if you have more number of the items. So that's why less than 6 items or max 12 items, that is fine. For the both, not only this one, for the donut chart as well, same thing. So observe here. So for the donut chart, I wanted to take something which is there, instead of this one. Let me take the state which is having the more number of items. Are you getting to analyze better? No. So you can't able to do this one. So that is why this representation is not good by showing using this one donut chart. So that is one thing you just have to observe. So if you have more number of items like that, what you do? So to overcome that one, if you have more number of the items, that is there only for the tree map. Tree map is going to use that. So you can use that more number of items. More number of items in less space. So this is the better representation to show the huge number of data. So apart from this, only table chart only will give you the more analysis. The tree map will give you large amount of the data within the less space. So let me make you understand here the tree map. So how you are going to explain in your real time. So I'm clicking over here. So this is how I expanded. So I'm taking directly state which is having the more number. So I'm taking here the sales. Just observe here. So many cities are there, but you can able to see almost all. So what is the difference between this one other charts? Because of whenever you go for this tree map, so whatever the highest sale value is going to show represent on the top of left corner. So it will go down, then it will start from like this, it start from like this, it start from like this. So which means that based on your the value of your sales, it is going to represent. So it means that always your highest value show top left corner and least value will show the bottom right corner. So that is how you just understand. So highest value always at the top left corner and the lowest value bottom right corner. So this is the simple you just have to understand. Till here you just do practice. So out of this I just wanted to make the some of the dashboard the same thing. So I'm not going to do the much bigger. So I'm taking this one. So whatever we have done so far, so all the charts are important in your real time. Out of all the charts you must get one or two charts in each project. So you can't complete your project without using all these charts. So I'm taking here the month wise profit. So next chart I'm taking the this one. The chart I want to take something region, and what should I take? Row ID you can take. So next chart. So these charts are very important. Scatter plot we will discuss later. So that is not important for now, but we are not using frequently. So this is I'm taking this one. So remember whatever the items, how many items that are required to represent. That is most important. This is overlapping. The next chart which we have discussed waterfall. Waterfall is one of the client's favorites, remember. So I'm taking month and let me take a discount. And the next chart which we have discussed, this ribbon chart. Out of all the charts, you must use one or two charts in your project. So must, that is important. Must is important. Taking category, I'm taking quantity. And for the ribbon, I want to take a reason. So this is how all important charts. So I wanted to give here the heading important charts in Power BI. So they will ask you question over this also. That is also one of the interview questions. You just remember if you want to go for any funnel chart. So what are the conditions? If I want to go for the any donut chart, compare difference between the donut chart and pie chart. When to go for the pie chart, when to go for the donut chart. So these are all the questions, not only for the fresher level, for the experienced people also you get it. So let me reduce this. We can add more filters over here. So I'm not giving any this logo here. So what I'm giving here the slicers, slicers. So that slicers. So this is card I have taken. That card, what I'm taking, whatever we have created the calculated field just before. So what is that one? Weekend, weekday sales. I'm taking this one. Total sales. Perfect. So one more thing, weekend, weekdays, I want to take this multi-card. So that is, I think so, this one. No? This is space might not be there. That bar slicers, no, avoid that one in your real time. So don't use such bars in your real time. Okay, let it be. So few more slicers I want to take now. Slicers. I want to take category. So this one you can change as usual, whatever we are doing. So header you can do. Okay, this space is completed. Still space is there. What you do? Just to bring this here. Too bad. So instead of that, let me take four items, which is having ship mode. I think so. Four items having. Okay, perfect. So here space is there. I want to take some of the filters only. Instead of filters, let me take. So these cards, just observe here. I want to take this card. So observe the difference between that different cards. So I'm taking here the discount only. This card giving you like a button directly. So just observe. This is also card. This is also card. But this is giving you just like a button. So that is newly updated. So this is also button slicer. The moment you click over here, you can bring something here. What should I take? So let me take months. These two bigger number. Let me take small number. Reason is there. Reason easily available. It is coming like this. So the chart giving you like that only. You can't able to make the change. The chart we have taken, this is giving you this 3. So this is the space that is giving you. So this is the type of the chart. So instead of that, I want text slicer. So now I can convert as style that I want. Okay, this much all you know. So title you can remove. This space, small space is there. I want to use some card here. I want to use this card. So all the whatever we are using that cards, you just keep on I. So where it is going, bring that into this. This title, let me remove title. Number only we can give. So instead of this one, let me give something. Weekend and the weekdays analysis. Okay, fine. So size is too slow. So perfect, simple. You go to the view, change the theme. No need to work hard. So this is how you can simply change everything. Otherwise, you can go change something else. So which one makes you looks good? You can take. Okay, fine. I'm representing in this format. You can do all this. So this is all for the day. You just do practice on it. So whenever you go for the filters, it will go reflect all. So simple thing. So this is how next step what you do. You go and publish it. So what happened? There aren't any filters applied right now. Who's asking you to apply the filters? So now I'm going to publish here the two things. Just remember. So slowly observe that Power BI service. Weekend weekdays analysis. So I'm publishing on my workspace. So go here. So I'm going to click over here. Now I'm going here. So this is, so till here I'm going to give you some more information from here. You do practice the same every day. So I'm clicking over here. This is the edit. So can I able to do any formatting here by using this one? So instead of I want to take this chart, I want to take the some other chart. So can I take the some other chart here? Yes. So I can take any chart here. So which means that at Power BI service level also you can make the changes. So this is simple. You just have to remember. So what you can do by using this Power BI, service also, you can make the changes by using Power BI service as well. So this is one thing you just remember. And formatting work also, everything is there. So whatever the formatting work that I wanted to make here, the changes I can take. So I don't want, like this headers. So for all the values, I don't want headers like this. You can take it. So that you just observe, the formatting work you can do, the visualization you can do, and you will get the data, columns as well. Are you getting the any data here? No, you can't see data here. Are you getting the any main menus are there? Whatever it is there available in your Power BI desktop? No. So only few things that you can access to show here in your representation. That is only the thing you just observe. So next step, what you do once you make the any changes here. For example, I wanted to make the changes some of here. So this one I already made the changes. So once you made the changes, there is the save option. Click on it. So after that, if you want to see your view, so there is the option is reading view. Click on it. Then again you go back. So now you click over here. That there are different options. So click on anything. I want to see the full screen like this. You can click over here like this. So here observe the filter is coming up. So again filter you can use here. So if you take any filter here, you can filter it out here as well. So because we didn't take any filter here, so that's why I don't want to see this one. So what should I do? Just to click on escape. Again go to the edit. So expand the filters. There is the eye icon. Click on it to cancel. So now the same thing, you go save it. Then go to the reading view. Then go here the full screen. Now you are not, see that one filter one. So this is how your representation. If anybody asks you, can you able to modify the in your Power Query, Power BI service level? Yes, but there are some limitations. So whatever the visualization that you can do, so whatever the columns that you can experience here, even the calculated fields, are you getting all the calculated fields here? So that is also observed. So date value we are getting, time and time value we have given. Are we getting that one? So time and time value are there. The DAX formula, this is weekend days. So we have given the week number, weekdays, everything is coming. So even if you done that, DAX formulas also you will get here also. So this is all the interview questions whenever they are asking you, which related to your Power BI service along with your Power BI desktop. So that's why the experienced people more focus on all round preparation. So not only prepare that Power BI desktop, so that is not giving you job. So observe this much is the everyday we are going to observe the one options like this. You are going to continue all the things at one go. So this is how all for the day. Any questions or queries you have?